All right, everybody. It's been a long time coming, but we are back at the JW Marriott in downtown Indianapolis. That's right. We're back. It is 2023, and I knew I had to come back for a return to this place. But with that said, we are actually staying here tonight, and I'll be giving you all a room tour. How you doing? Nothing's really changed in the hallways. But we should go down here and get another city view. So yeah, this is what the hallway looks like. I think down here is where some of the suites are, if I recall correctly. Yeah, the executive suites right there. There you go. The prime city view. And IUPUI right there. We love that. But anyways, we're gonna go check out our room, because that's the main focus of this video, obviously. So here's our room, 2315. Let's go. To begin, we've got, of course, the evacuation map and stuff. Elevators there, and the service elevators, I bet you. That's what that is. Checkout times, of course, 11. And security features, you got, of course, this lock, and then you got the deadbolt and stuff. Over here, good old closet. It's got robes. Looks like only one of them by the looks of it. Got yourself an ironing board right here. Some extra hangers. There's the ironing, or no, that's not the ironing board. There's the iron itself. Got some extra hangers and stuff. And you got an extra shelf up there too. Hey there. And over here we got the coffee making station. Coffee maker here. Ooh, they even have some Biscoff cookies. I love Biscoff cookies. Coming down, you got, of course, the ice container and some water and glasses. You have yourself a mini fridge. Not too big, so don't count on putting too much stuff in there. Let's check out the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. It's actually quite nice. You got your toilet paper. Here's the commode. Kohler. Got another mirror. Hey, very nice mirror. Light fixtures. Got some tissues and some more glasses and some lotion and a bar soap. Then the sink. And then down here you got towels and washcloths and extra toilet paper, and also a hair dryer back here. Then you got the trash can. Then there's the shower, in which it's actually just opens like this. It's not a slide shower. It's just a shower. There's no bath. It's got two nozzles, shower drain and stuff. Cleanliness wise, I mean, There's a few noticeable spots and stuff, but at this time, not too big of a deal. Complimentary body cleanser, conditioner, and shampoo. And let's see what we can do in the shower. There you go. Other noticeable cleanliness stuff, I mean, outlets look good. So far, I'm not seeing too much. I mean, you got, that looks like maybe paint or something. It's not harming anything though. Shower door closes just fine. Some noticeable scratches on this door handle. So yeah, but let's go into the room itself. So here you guys go. This is the 2-queen room. It is not a deluxe, I don't think. I'll have to check the receipt if I recall correctly. But we got 2 queen beds. There's all our stuff. Got a big LG flat screen TV right here. Remote. And then some drawers. Not too shabby a space. Then you got the desk, which chair actually feels pretty comfy. Then you've got the phone, the QR code for room service, lamp, and then you got a nice chair here. Comfiness wise, it's actually very comfy. So there you go. Another lamp. Then you got, of course, the blinds and stuff, which I don't know if these are blacked out. They look like blackout curtains to my knowledge. They just slide like that. And then the view, of course. Can't go wrong with the view from this place. It is always amazing. The sun's coming up and it's reflecting on the JW. You can see it. The sun is kind of peeking through the clouds. There's the regular Marriott. There's the rest of downtown. There's Lucas Oil. And you can see the Eli Lilly facility out there. And you can kind of see the entrance to Victory Field right there. My camera's not focusing for some reason. There we go. So now we got the beds, of course, which I'm going to test comfiness wise. Comfiness wise, these actually feel really good. So yeah, comfiness wise, they're pretty good. Then we got the nightstand, of course, which you have an alarm clock, USB outlets, and the lamp, or the bed lamp, I guess. Coming down, you got a Indy magazine and the Book of Mormon, and of course you got the Holy Bible. So, noticing a couple defects on this dresser. Like, you can see these noticeable spots. Cleanliness wise, I mean, I'm already noticing a few things. Here's the other bed. Beds are actually real comfy. And I think that's another room service QR code. Then you got the thermostat set at 70.5 right now. And another mirror. Hey there. And of course you got some more trash cans over here. Other noticeable cleanliness things. You got some extra outlets over here. And a little extra compartment for some smaller items. Cleanliness wise, so far, I mean, around the beds, it's pretty clean. Dresser does have a few defects on it, but not too big of a deal. But They could have cleaned a little bit better. And I think there was a safe in here. There is not a safe, actually. So no safe for this room. So if you're hoping to have one for at least a 2-queen room, then this won't be for you. So one last look at the view, of course, because obviously you can't go wrong with it. Obviously I gotta get a still shot of this. But anyways, I think I've covered pretty much most of this room. And overall, despite those little cleanliness defects and stuff, this room still seems pretty nice. I mean, all that matters is you need a bed, you need a bathroom, and TV if you like entertainment. But otherwise, the beds, they're real comfy, at least for first impressions. The bathroom, overall, it's pretty good, other than a couple noticeable cleanliness things there. But otherwise, it does the job. So, yeah. So with that said, I hope you all enjoyed this little updated room tour, because I've wanted to get one of these for a while because I haven't stayed here since 2021. And obviously the rooms aren't much different compared to that review, but otherwise the beds are nice. Desk is nice. Obviously the view is incredible. Overall, I'm pleased with this room. And for the price, definitely worth it. So if you come to Indianapolis, I definitely recommend the JW. It's one of my personal favorite hotels in downtown Indy. So if you make it to Indy, I'd recommend you get a room here. It'll be so worth it. But with that said, thank you all so much for watching this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. For now, bye y'all.